Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our home. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make keto pizza. Let's get started. I am using my new Christmas gift. Camera. Of course. Here, from my wonderful husband, by the way. Yeah. In here, we're going to make like the basic fathead dough for our pizza. And what I've got right here, that is 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. And I have 2.5 tablespoons of cream cheese. Now, I want to put some garlic in there. And, oh, I've got my oven preheating to 425. Make sure I told you guys the right thing. That is a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we have our oregano that we're going to put in our crust. This is only 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'll put some more, sprinkle some more on the top when we get there to that point. Now here, I have 3/4 cup of almond flour, and I also have a tablespoon of coconut flour that we're just going to dump in there. I heated my, you know, each microwave varies, so I heated this cheese in the microwave for about a total of 1 minute in 15-second intervals to get it melted in together. Now I've got that mixed up just a little bit. I do have 1 whole egg here that I'm going to put in there. Get it in the mix, right? And, oh, I also have a pan over here. Now I'm going to get my hands in this, you all. Sorry, I know some people don't like it, but when you're working with fathead dough, to me, rather than getting my big mixer out, this is the easiest way for me to do it. But I've got my pan over here ready with some parchment paper on it. That's all I've done to it. And once I get this mixed up real good, then I'm going to spread it out. And we're going to stick it in the preheated oven, let it bake for 10 minutes. Looking pretty good. Pretty good. Let's get this off of our hands. You can always put a little bit of olive oil on there if you want to keep that from sticking so much. Put some olive oil on that, by the way. I just put some on there so it doesn't stick so bad to my parchment paper. But some more cheeses, peppers, and there's all kinds of goodness on here we're going to put on it. Now, you can use your hand to do this, or you can put it in between 2 pieces of parchment paper and roll it out with your roller, with your hand roller. Let's get this in the oven for about 10 minutes. It's already preheated, so there we go. Be back in 10. Let's get this out of the oven and see how it looks. It smells really good. Y'all know that's my little guy Brinkley. He just thinks that oven's fixing to eat me alive or something. He's silly that way. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put all of our toppings on. Then we're going to chuck it back in the oven. Cheeses, all that stuff. Chuck it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. So, let's get all this magic happening. I'm putting about a half cup on it. You put however much you like on yours, okay? That's how we do this. I'm just kind of giving you a little help along. That's what I'm doing. Little help along. And I like it all the way out as far as I can get it to the edge of my crust. You can leave yours. You can sprinkle some cheese along the edge if you want to. Ooh, it'd be so good, wouldn't it? Yeah, this is going to taste really nice. There we go. There's that part. Now, looks good, huh? Now, we're going to cap everything back so I don't spill stuff all over the place. Now, I have some chopped onion. It's the dehydrated onion. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of this on our pizza sauce so that it will help hydrate these. Should taste really good. And now we're going to put our cheese on, and then we're going to put our other toppings on. And I've got mine mixed up here, what I want to use, which is, again, it's the mozzarella. And it's also a mixture of a Fiesta blend. Total of 1.5 cups of cheese here that I'm putting on. And then we'll go with our toppings. Let's go ahead and dump that in there too. May as well, huh? Cheese, glorious cheese. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. It's not too hot, but we don't want to get burnt, right? Let's cap that, get it out of the way. I'm going to put me a little bit of this Parmigiano Romano on there. We're just going to sprinkle it on. So says I. There's something about Parmesan cheese that makes a pizza to me. You know what? I just happened to think I've got some wonderful Asiago cheese in my freezer. That's what I should have been putting on there. Rats. Oh well. It's okay. And we're going to put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder on the top. Then we're going to sprinkle about 1/8 teaspoon of some, I have ground up my oregano. You know what? Let's go a little more than that since I sprinkled it all over there on that side. Oopsie. There we go. Let's just swoosh it around. Just like that. And we'll cap them. Get them out of our way. And I've got some peppers chopped up that were in the freezer, so I'm just going to squeeze that liquid off of there. I always buy my peppers and put them in the freezer because they last a whole lot longer that way. You can always dehydrate them too, but we're going to do it just like that. Sprinkle those on there. Step over and wash these hands off. I had a little bit of cheese on my hands. I was getting it all over my peppers. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Kind of festive too, which is fine because it's the festive season, isn't it? It's full of wonderful, wonderful, glorious things. And let's just get us some pepperonis on here. Put however many you want on. It's your pizza. Make the pizzeria people proud. They probably saying, you're putting too many on there. Yeah, I probably am. It's not even full sleeve, it's just like half. But, how about that? Does that look good to you guys? I think I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese on the top of it, though. Let me rinse my hand again. Of course, we got some wonderful banana peppers here that we're going to throw on it after we bake it, because that's how we roll. Okay, let's sprinkle just a little bit more of this on there, y'all. I need to take a fork and break that up. Is what I need to do. I just like just the look of the melted cheese on top, just a little bit, like that, and that, my friends, is that for right now. Put the cap on it. Now remember, don't just reach and grab that pan because it's hot. It came out of the oven, remember? So we're not going to do that. What we are going to do is we're going to grab our kitchen towel here, if I can get it straightened back up. And we're going to grab a hold of this. And hopefully I won't set off my alarm. There's a sensor that's close to my oven. Heat sensor, so look at that. Oh my. Alright. Damn. Okay. Get you guys flipped up there like that. Took me a second, but I figured it out. I noticed something different. Silver hair, don't care. Alright, we're going to let that bake about 15 minutes. See you in a minute. It's going to seem like a minute to you anyway. Be back. Oh, real quick, let me throw this in there. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have some suggestions on things I could throw on this pizza to make it taste that much better, please let me know. Ring the dinner bell. Ding ding. Click all so you get all those notifications of every time we put something, new content of any kind, on Nana's Hidden Apron. Be back in a few. I can tell you that this smells amazing. Here we go. Oh my goodness, would you just look at that. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Now, we're going to slice it up. Well, we're going to let it sit there and cool for about 5 minutes. So it sits up good. And then we're going to slice it up, throw it on the plate, shove it in our face. Y'all take care, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.